Hi, my name is Lilit Harutyunyan and I'm a paralegal at the law offices of Margarit Kazaryan. I handle a lot of auto insurance claims and I would like to talk about some misconceptions that people have about auto policies. Some people think they have full coverage, but they don't. Some people have only liability policies and they think they have full coverage, and this is what I would like to talk about today. What is the difference between liability only and full coverage policies? Liability only policy is when you're at fault and your insurance has to cover for the other person's property or bodily injury. That means that you are liable for their loss and you only have coverage for the other person. Whether it's minimum coverage or higher policy limits, it will only cover the other person. What is a full coverage policy? There is a big misconception about full coverage policy. Most people think that full coverage is when you have a liability coverage and you also have coverage for your vehicle. However, full policy can also include medical pay, it can have rental reimbursement, towing coverage, it can be a variety of things. It really depends on the policy. Finally, it is very important to know that even if you have a full coverage policy, it does not mean that you're protected as you should be protected. Your liability limits or the vehicle coverage that you have may be very little for your own vehicle or the other person's injuries. It is very important to go over your policy just to make sure that you're covered well. Please give us a call anytime and I will be very happy to go over your auto policy, explain what you have, what you should have to make sure that you're protected well if something should happen.